On March 12th, 2013 at 9:45 in the morning, the Virginia Department of Emergency Management is hosting a statewide tornado drill. We're asking residents and citizens and business owners to participate in this drill. There'll be two notifications sent out. At 9:45 in the morning, the NOAA weather radio system will send out a test alert. Also, the Fairfax County Office of Emergency Management Community Emergency Alert Network will have a page sent out to alert you that the drill has begun. What we're asking as soon as the drill begins is for you to find that safe place at wherever location you're at, go to that place, and as soon as you arrive there, that's the end of the drill. The idea is to locate and identify a safe place in case that tornado hits, and for you to relocate to that area. In life, we plan for vacations, we plan for finances. Planning is a key role, and it's very important in our life. It's more important, though, when there is an emergency. If you've pre-planned for that emergency, if you've exercised or drilled that emergency, the family knows where to go, what to do, the supplies that you have. It will make life so much easier if an emergency does occur. The comfort level, the stress will be less, and you can reassure your family that you have a plan and you will be safe. Go to the Virginia Department of Emergency Management's website. Look for the link for the tornado drill. Sign up for the drill. Look at the information. It tells you how to participate in the drill. Having done so, you'll feel better in the long run, and your family will be safer.